The NX was fully redesigned from the inside out in 2022 and carries these new features into 2023. Every exterior surface is reimagined. Lexus driving signature ensures a uniquely Lexus experience where each vehicle exhibits a direct, linear driving feel that is consistent across the lineup. For 2023, the Lexus NX features standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability. Guests can charge and stream wirelessly with the optional wireless charger, which can be stowed away to maximize storage. Drivers will also notice the quicker 0 to 60 time of 7.2 seconds, a full 1.5 seconds quicker than the previous generation hybrid. The updated hybrid powertrain produces 239 combined system horsepower and an impressive, combined EPA estimated 39 mpg. A hybrid motor coupled with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with 239 horsepower and 233 pounds-foot of torque is teamed with a high-output, low-resistance nickel-metal hydride battery that offers a high level of output and fuel economy. The 216-cell battery is located below the rear seat, thus enabling improved passenger comfort and storage capacity. NX HEV can be equipped with E4, Lexus' innovative all-wheel drive system, which places a motor at the rear axle for near-instantaneous drive force application in low grip or acceleration scenarios. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share.